Well, we're back on the Forester today. I'm not sure why I'm even doing this video. But hey, maybe somebody wants to know. There's a lot of videos on this. These are little itty bitty front sway bar end links. I got both of these for $18 on eBay off a dealer. Free shipping. The local parts store wanted $60 almost. I said, no, I'll wait a few days. So that's that. And there's one kind of started on there. You can use something like this 9/16 wrench, and you can actually grab that right there and hold that, keep this part from turning. And I am using a 17 millimeter socket deep well for the bolt and all that. So, for the nut, I should say. So we got that one kind of started on there. So we're going to go ahead and tighten this up. I'm going to do one side at a time. I'm going to do this one, then I'll go to the other side. I should be able to get the other side on. But I got a jack under there. Got a security jack there. And I got lots of used oil sprayed under here. Cleaned it up a little bit. But this is really the only thing I got to do on the front. And looks like it's pretty easy to, put on. In case somebody in high school has bought one of these cars and want to fix it up or something, or trying to get into the world of auto mechanics, this is basically what you're going to kind of get into. Now I have a video on how to get these off. If you think you're just going to come in with some wrenches and just take these off, if you live in the Northeast, thank you again. I'll put a link to that video right about there. And this is how I tuck my old ones off. So whatever you do, just make sure you jack your car up and all that. Secure jack and make sure, don't get under it or anything. So I'll go ahead and tighten this up. And we'll do the other side and all that good stuff. Hey, let me know where you're watching from right now. All right, he's on. Happy about that. Now a lot of these you can use a Allen socket to hold the center of these. If you can't get a wrench, like on the bottom here, there's a slot there. It's just enough for me to get in there. Put this wrench right there from here to here. So actually on the outside, that's what I'm talking about. What I meant to say. So sometimes you can use that. So all right, let's go get the other one here and put it on. And I'll be able to go get, hopefully, an inspection sticker on this vehicle. Alright, so the driver's side, not too bad. But I kind of bent these a little bit because they're at this weird angle. You can see this. I kind of bent. Started them in there just so they would go in there a little bit better. You could just kind of hit them a little bit and they'll bend a little bit. Or take your fingers and kind of get these at a weird angle. They're in there now. You see that one there? All we gotta do is tighten it down. I had to actually take my hand here and pull up on this bar a little bit to actually get them started in there. So there you go. Maybe you're watching this during your afternoon lunch break. I don't know, but let me go ahead and get this tightened down. Alright, just about done. Learn to do things yourself, kids. Save yourself $225. That's what it would have cost for the dealer to do this, or the local auto place here. So, as you can kind of see what I'm doing there. So, give it a nice good tug. You guys can look up your own specs, torque specs, but a lot of these are just common sense. Alright, so there we go. How about that? Brand new babies there, yeah. So that'll take care of the little bit of noise that we had on this thing. So, I don't know, just a quick video, guys, to show you. If you learn to do these little things, you can just save yourself so much money. But this thing here is supposed to get about, 28 miles a gallon. It'll be driving this for a while because my truck only gets about 10 to 13 with these gas prices. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Come on, next video. See you later.